Hey, how's it going there? Welcome to my part of the kitchen. Tonight, I'm having tacos. I can cook enough for you, but you're not here. I'm going to take you through the steps required to make a guacamole, the ingredients, and we'll take it from there. So, what we need is some lime, some avocado, onion and tomato, garlic, 2, and a little pack of chili. They require fresh chili, but we don't have any. Get yourself in the mood, listen to some music. So, play the music now. Thank you. And let's get into this. Now comes the cooking montage. Might be a little bit sped up, but hey, let's go. Root system comes out, and now peel it, grab it under the second layer or the third layer of the onion. You should be able to pinch it and pull it, and as you can see, it's coming off in almost one piece. I'm not crying. Now this is how we're going to do it. I don't think you can see me there, but split it in half, then 1, 2, 3. So what we'll do is we get our packet of chili, just over the top. Don't worry about that. Just a couple of handfuls, 2 ripe avocados, salt and pepper to taste. We got our pepper, and we got our cooking salt. So now if we open this can up, and we get a spoon, pour that coming there like that. All good. We've got our quarters of lime juice, and we've got all of our ingredients. So back of the knife, little bits by little bits, otherwise everything goes on the floor, and wifey is not going to be happy because wifey be there cleaning it up. And we mix it all together. Take you for a little drive. Look at this. Similar action as the onion. Bring the knife around. You slice it. Then you twist and turn it, and you got the pip. Then what you do is this, and turn it. There you go. Simple, easy living. After you've got the pip out, what you want to do is score the inside of it with a knife. So you go to the top and the bottom, and you score lines, being careful not to punch through the back side of the fruit here. Try not to cut your fingers. Then you turn it inside out, and it should be little squares and come undone. Straight in there like that. Get your fingers and peel it away from the inside of the skin back into the guacamole. By the looks of it, it's very chunky, so we're going to get out a little Tiffany mix, chop him up into a little bit more of a puree. If you can smell the smell that I'm smelling now, you be in heaven. You know what I mean? After you've finished, bring it over to the water and that's how you make a basic guacamole dip.